Are you frustrated that your business is not making enough money? Almost 90% of dropshippers fail during their first month. What is dropshipping? Dropshipping is a way of selling products to customers by sourcing them directly from the supplier. It has become one of the most popular shipping methods for e-commerce businesses because retailers find it convenient to purchase products from the suppliers as per sales without any need of stocking the product and send them to the buyers. Without a doubt, dropshipping has changed the way online businesses work. While many e-commerce merchants are excelling due to dropshipping, some fail. Why? This video will go over the top 5 common reasons why dropshipping fails. Do not worry, we can help with our useful tips and tricks. You can even scale up your dropshipping store after incorporating some of the best practices we will recommend. So, by the end of this video, you will learn how to avoid dropshipping failures once and for all. In this video, you will understand the right way to dropship. If you're interested in other making money online related videos, make sure to check out our video on 5 best ways to make money from home. You can go there after this one. So, without wasting our time, let's get started. 33% of online stores now use dropshipping as a fulfillment model. The journey of beginner dropshippers is an emotional one. They are inexperienced and incapable of handling risks well. It is like you see someone making money with their online business, so feel the need to do the same without sound knowledge. They do not test the feasibility of their business. When the initial months do not pay them off, they say maybe the idea wasn't good enough. Guess what happens next? They drop their idea and jump onto some other bandwagon. The inconsistency worsens the whole situation. In the end, they would rather say dropshipping isn't working anymore instead of admitting to their own foolishness. Most of the money in this business model is spent on advertisements because dropshippers rely on paid marketing efforts to sell their products. Not researching enough. A good businessman does not make a move without thoroughly researching everything. An online business demands even more research and understanding of the business model. You have to find out the nature of the target customers and then build a strategy to sell, such as dropshipping. For instance, some products sell better than others, especially at festive times of the year. You might make good sales in the first month and no sales in the next one. Therefore, you choosing a product with little to no profit margin is a terrible mistake you make. While dropshipping looks like a go-to option for most commerce businesses, think it through properly. Research the products your customers care about. Research current trends. Find products with good branding potential. Research the price of popular products. In the end, you need to research which platform is going to be the most suitable for your products. Easier said than done. Doing inadequate research will make you lose money and you will never be able to become a good dropshipper. No wonder you will end up saying dropshipping isn't working anymore. Not understanding the risk factor. As mentioned earlier, most dropshippers dive into the business without properly understanding the risk factors involved. Take the story of a dropshipper who didn't keep in mind that refunds can also become a hurdle. He was selling on eBay and Amazon with a high success rate in the first year of his business. He didn't have money to invest, so he reinvested the money he earned from sales and doubled it in the next circle. What did he do next? He bought 3 credit cards and contacted more wholesalers to dropship niche products to him. The return rate was 50%. It is important to note here that the manufacturers do not take returns as they sell them to a reseller. So it is like the more you make, the more you lose. What's worse than paying a forwarder to receive these products to ship them out? That is the cost of not considering the risk factors involved. Your entire profit-making empire crumbles to the floor. Following the hype. Saw an online retailer mint money with his business, so you follow the hype and jump right into it without thinking straight. According to a survey, about 29 to 30% of businesses fail in the first 6 months. Most of this has to do with the increased hype of dropshipping and entrepreneurship in late 2016 and all of 2017. One mistake you make when you follow the hype is that you compare your business with other businesses. Where a dropshipping business is a lot easier to start, it is difficult to market later. Most e-commerce fail. E-commerce with sourced dropshipping is easier to put in place because you can focus on online marketing. But once you are up and running, e-commerce has to grow like any other kind of business through vertical integration. There must be a constant focus on how to get your supplier integrated at the best, not less, cost. You can scale up when you stop following the hype blindly and focus on your own business to avoid any dropshipping failures. Selecting the wrong supplier. Building up on the second point, the right supplier matters a lot for your business to flourish. Selecting the wrong dropshipper is a costly mistake you do not want to make. While finding a supplier can be easy, partnering with a good one is very important. Most dropshippers pick suppliers based on the lowest prices. Did you do the same? Well, prices should be considered last. Always look at the reviews, return policy, and product tracking system first. If a supplier has great reviews, has a return policy in place, and provides tracking numbers and links for the products, he is the right one. Next, you can negotiate the prices. Selling the wrong product or too many products. How much attention did you pay to the type of product or products you sell? We know the answer. Dropshipping doesn't work for people who start with too many products. In other words, they do not narrow down their niche. When you are new in the dropshipping business, it takes some time to learn the nitty-gritty, and the best way to do that is to begin with low-range products. Once you get a knack for it, you can adjust by adding more. Being well informed about your product is important. How can you convince customers to buy your product when you do not know anything about it as a seller? Therefore, when you choose a niche, say skincare, you will be in a better position to learn more about it and be convincing as a seller. Knowledge about how to ship and market your product to cater to the right audience is extremely important, and it is impossible to do so when you have a variety of products with an undefined niche. It is vital to ask yourself if you're interested in your business niche, or you'll end up spending a lot of money and there is no guarantee that customers will all convert. To curb this issue, do your research, read about the niche you want to go into, and communicate with e-commerce merchants before choosing dropshipping as your shipping strategy. Here is the tip. Start with a few products. Keep track of each product. Be knowledgeable about it to convert customers like a pro. You can restructure your product page of the business plan later on by adding more products once you have stabilized your dropshipping business. If you have made it this far, please note that it's not our intention to scare you. This video aims to help you identify the warning signs that your dropshipping business may be in danger. It is important to note that 1 or 2 red flags might not necessarily indicate that you're not doing well, but if most of these signs apply to your situation, then it's time to rethink your dropshipping procedures before it gets worse, and try to find ways to improve it instead of destroying it. Want a bonus tip? Invest in good marketing and offer excellent customer service to keep your business thriving amidst the high competition. So, this was all from today's video. Make sure you have hit the bell icon for upcoming videos, and if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.